Welcome dear students. In last lecture we completed the basic construction which will help us to draw the construction of a triangles. Now today we have to construct the similar triangles. Now all of you learn about the similar triangle. Here I will recall some important points. See, if two triangles are similar. Suppose I write here triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. In first chapter you learn about the similar triangles. In that, what are the properties of a similar triangles? That means when two triangles are similar, then its corresponding sides are congruent. That means we can write AB upon PQ. The corresponding side of AB is PQ. Then BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Now dear student, all of you know that when two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. That means the ratio of corresponding side is a constant. Second thing is that the angles are congruent. Angle A is congruent with corresponding angle P. Angle B is congruent with corresponding angle Q, and angle C is congruent with angle R. Like this, these two properties are there. That means when two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. These two properties we have to use for the construction of a similar triangle. Now in this construction, dear student, there are two types. One type is like this. How to find out the type? See here, triangle, I write here triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, and these two triangles we have to construct. Now what is the difference? See, I write another triangle, suppose triangle ABC and triangle APR. Now if we observe the name of a triangle, by observing the name of a triangle, we come to know that there are two type of a construction of similar triangle. In this case, if we observe the vertex of a triangle, suppose I draw this triangle ABC like this, ABC, and triangle PQR is there, and here, dear student, if we observe the vertex are totally different with each other. That means two different figures we have to construct. This is one type of a construction of similar triangle. And second construction is, if we observe the triangle ABC, here it is A, B and C, then the name of triangle is APR. If we observe the vertex A, it's common in both the triangle. Now dear student, here vertex is not a common, here one vertex is common, then how to construct the triangle? See here, it is like this, ABC, APQ. Got it? That means here it is APR. Like this, we have to do the construction. Dear student, I told you this as a basic. Got it? Now we have to actually do the construction of similar triangle. At that time, I will explain you perfectly. Now see here, we have to construct the similar triangles, triangle ABC and PQR, where vertex is not common and here one vertex is a common. How to construct that we have to learn today. Dear student, now we have to start with practice set 4.1. Dear students, let's start with the construction of similar triangle. See, construction of similar triangle. Just now I told you that what are the similar triangles and what are the properties of similar triangles. Now see here, when two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. All of you know that. Now for the construction of similar triangles, here we have to learn two types of construction. At just I have told you that, see, triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN. All of you know that when two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion, angles are congruent. Now this is one type of a construction of similar triangle. Triangle ABC and triangle LMN. First of all, we have to observe the name of a triangle. First, triangle ABC and LMN. If we observe the vertex of the triangle are A, B and C. Here L, M and N. No vertex is common in both the triangle. Therefore, this is one type of a construction. Just now I told you that. Therefore, we start with the practice set 4.1 question number first. Now see, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and CA is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Dear student, if we observe this, we come to know that the sides or the length of a sides of a triangle of ABC are given. That means AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and CA is 4.5 centimeter. Then construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN or BC is to MN is equal to 5:4. Dear student, we have to construct two triangles. The measurements of triangle ABC are given. Measurements of triangle LMN are not given, but property is given that these two triangles are similar and the ratio of their corresponding sides, that means BC is to MN. BC is the side of triangle ABC and MN is the corresponding sides of triangle LMN. Therefore, the ratio of corresponding sides is given. It is 5:4. Dear student, we can construct triangle ABC easily. Got it? Because we know the measurements, all measurements of triangle ABC are given. Then we have to construct the LMN, triangle LMN. To construct the triangle LMN, we must know the some measurements of triangle LMN. Now in this case, when two triangles are similar and measurements, that is the length of all the sides of a triangle ABC are given, then we have to use the property of similar triangle about the sides. Dear student, when two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion. That proportion is also given. It is BC upon MN is equal to 5:4. By using this property, by using this information, we have to first find out the measurements of triangle LMN. Now how? See here. We start with see here. First, what is given? Triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN. These two triangles are similar and triangles are similar. Why they are similar? Because it is given. Therefore, we have to write here it is given. Second thing is that when these two triangles are similar, we know the property about the sides, that is AB upon LM, corresponding sides AB and LM is equal to BC is to, can anyone tell me? Yes, correct, it is MN is equal to AC upon LN. These are the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now dear student, one more information is given. BC upon MN is equal to 5:4. This is given. Dear student, by using this information, we have to find out the measurement of triangle LMN. Now how it is? See here. This BC upon MN is 5/4. Therefore, AB upon LM is also 5/4 and AC upon LN is also 5/4. Therefore, we can directly write, therefore, AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. Now by using this, first of all we have to take AB upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4. Then see dear student, AB is how much? It is 5.5. Therefore we can write here, therefore 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4. Dear student, we have to solve this. Therefore LM is equal to 5.5 into 4 upon 5. We make the cross multiplication and then take out this 5 on this side. Therefore it is equal to 1.1 into 4. This 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Therefore it is 4.4 centimeter. Therefore length of side LM is 4.4 centimeter. Now dear student, we have to take the another ratio. Now for that purpose, see here, we have to take another ratio, second ratio. It is BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. Now BC, the length of BC, it is 6 centimeter. Therefore write it is 6 upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. Therefore MN is equal to 6 into 4 upon 5. 6 into 4 upon 5. Then we have to multiply this. 6 4s are 24 upon 5. Then we can write here, simplify this. 5 4s are 20 and 5 8s are. Therefore it is 4.8 centimeter. Similarly, we have to find out the third ratio. We have to take AC upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. Now AC, how much AC? It is 4.5 centimeter. Therefore write down here 4.5 upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. Therefore LN is equal to 4.5 into 4 upon 5. Here dear student, here 5 9s are, therefore 0.9 into 4. Therefore it is 9 4s are 36, it is 3.6. Therefore ln is equal to 3.6 centimeter. One more thing I want to tell you, that here observe the ratio. The ratio is BC upon MN is to 5 is to 4. That means BC is 5 and MN is the 4. That means BC is a side of triangle ABC and MN is a side of triangle LMN. Therefore, if we observe the ratio, we come to know that triangle ABC is a smaller triangle. ABC will be the bigger triangle and LMN triangle will be the smaller triangle. Got it? This you have to observe. And now, dear student, we got the measurement of triangle ABC are given. All the length of all three sides are given. Then we find out the ratio of its corresponding sides of triangle LMN. Now by using this, we have to construct two triangles. First of all, dear student, see, first of all we have to draw the triangle ABC. We have to draw the first analytical figure or the rough figure we have to draw, and for that purpose, dear students, see, triangle ABC. In that triangle BC is 6 centimeter. Therefore we can draw the like this. This is BC, then AB, Here this is A. Now BC is how much? 6 centimeter. Dear student, AB is 5.5 centimeter and AC is 4.5 centimeter. Dear student, similarly we have to draw the rough figure for the triangle LMN. In this triangle, this is MN. Then we have to take the here point L, and here it is LN. LN is how much? 3.6 centimeter and MN is 4.8 centimeter. Like this, these are the analytical figure. Now we have to draw the final figure. For that purpose, see dear student, first of all, we have to construct the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, BC is 6 centimeter. Therefore, we have to take here BC 6 centimeter. BC is 6 centimeter. Therefore, we have to just draw a segment, that is the side. This is B and here it is C. It is 6 centimeter. After that, we have to plot the point A. Now, for plotting the point A or to fix the position of point A, the conditions are given, that is AB is 5.5 centimeter. See dear student, AB is 5.5 centimeter and AC is 4.5 centimeter. Therefore, we have to take a distance of, first of all, 5.5 centimeter. To take a distance 5.5 centimeter, dear student, on a rough page you can use, this is 0 and 5.5, therefore it is 5.5. Now take this distance in a compass. Put the metal point on one point and another pencil point we have to adjust like this. The distance is 5.5 centimeter from B. Therefore, put the metal point on B and make the arc like this. Now, the distance of point A from C is 4.5. Here somewhere point A is there, which is 5.5 from the B and 4.5 from the C. Now, therefore, we have to take a distance 4.5 centimeter. Therefore, this is 0 and here it is 4.5. Now, take this distance in a compass like this. Put the metal point on one point and adjust the pencil point like this. And the distance of point A from C is 4.5. Therefore, put the metal point on a C and make the arc like this. Now, these two arcs intersect each other. That point is point A. Then join this A with C. And join A with this B. We got here triangle ABC. This is 5.5 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Dear student, we completed the construction of triangle ABC. Now we have to construct the similar triangle LMN. For that purpose, see here, ABC, LMN, that means MN as a base we have to take. Therefore, the base MN is 4.8 centimeter. Therefore, dear student, here we have to draw a segment which is of 4.8 centimeter. This is 0 and here it is 4.5. After 4.5, 6, 7, 8, 3 millimeter we have to take, and this is M, and here it is N. It is 4.8 centimeter. Now dear student, we have to fix the position of point L. For that purpose, LM is 4.4. LM, that is the point L from M, is 4.4 centimeter. Therefore we have to take a distance of 4.4 centimeter. For that purpose, see here we can take, dear student, you have to do this work on a rough page. Got it? Here point is there, and 4.8 there, sorry, 4.4 somewhere here, and we got the distance. Take this distance in a compass like this. This distance is 4.4. That means point L is 4.4 centimeter from the M. Therefore put the metal point on M and draw the arc like this. Now we have to find out the position of L from the N is 3.6. That means we have to take a distance of 3.6. Therefore this is 0, this is 0, and here it is 3.6. Now take this distance in a compass. This is metal point. Dear student, this work you have to do at a rough page. Got it? Like this. Now put the metal point on N and draw the intersecting arc like this, and this is point L, and join this L with N and join this L with M. Dear student, this LN is 4.4 centimeter and LN is 3.6 centimeter. Like this we constructed the two similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar with triangle LMN. Now observe the figure. See, the BC is 6 centimeter, AB is 5.5 centimeter, AC is 4.5 centimeter, LM is 4.4, LN is 3.6, and MN is 4.8 centimeter. Like this, see, these figures are very accurate. Then neat diagrams are there. Therefore you have to do the practice, and then and only then you can able to draw such type of a constructions. Now we have to start with the second sum, which is from the practice set 4.1. Now see, the second sum is given. Triangle PQR, similar triangle LTR. Now observe, just now I told you that when we have to see the question, first of all we have to observe the vertex PQR and LTR. If we observe the vertex, one vertex R is common in both the triangle. Dear student, one vertex is common. In the previous sum, there is no any vertex is common. Therefore we draw, see here, triangle ABC and triangle LMN. In this case no common vertex is there. Therefore two different triangles we have constructed. But dear student, in this case, if we observe the name of a triangle, we come to know that PQR and LTR are similar triangles, and one R vertex is a common in both the triangle. Therefore dear student, if we try to draw the rough figure, then it should be like this. See here, triangle PQR and triangle LTR. Like this R vertex is common in both the triangle. Therefore see here, we have to draw like this. Here it is, suppose it is PRQ and LTR. Got it? Here this vertex is a common vertex. Got it? That means these two different figure we did not have to draw. See here, PQR, LTR. Now see the further information. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 4.2 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.4 centimeter, PR is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Construct triangle PQR and triangle LTR such that PQ upon LT is equal to 3:4. PQ upon LT is equal to 3:4. That means if we observe, see PQR, here PQ is 3 and LTR 4. First of all, we have to decide which is the smaller triangle and which is the bigger triangle. Here PQ is 3 and LTR 4. Therefore, we can say that this LTR will be the greater triangle and PQ will be the smaller triangle. Now, what information is given? PQ is 4.2 centimeter, QR is 5.4 centimeter and PR is 4.8 centimeter. Dear student, we can write, if we have to draw the rough figure, then how can we draw? See here, first of all, triangle PQR. QR is 5.4 centimeter. Here we can write Q and here we can write R. It doesn't make any difference. QR is 5.4 centimeter. Then PQ is 4.2. PQ is 4.2. PQ is 4.2 and PR is 4.8. It looks like something like this. Here it is P. Now see here. PQR is a triangle and another triangle is triangle LTR. The corresponding angle P is with L, Q with T and R with R. Therefore see here, if we produce this or extend this, like this, then extend this PR and if we join like this, then this is PQR, this is LTR. Therefore these two triangles are there, PQR and LTR. These two triangles are there. This PQ is 3 and LTR 4. This PQ upon LT is 3 upon 4. Therefore RQ upon RT is also 3 upon 4. Dear student, this is a rough figure. Now we have to construct the final figure. For that purpose, first of all, we have to draw the RQ. Now see, dear student, here PQ is 4.2 centimeter, QR is 5.4 centimeter and PR is 4.8 centimeter. This is analytical figure. Now dear student, we have to do the final figure. First of all, we have to draw the QR. It is 5.4. See dear student, it is R, it is Q. Dear student, we have to extend this further, like this. Now see, PQ is 4.2. Therefore dear student, on a rough page we have to take a distance 4.2 centimeter. Therefore all of you know that how to take 4.2. Here it is 0 and here it is 4.2. Now take the distance. Now PQ is 4.2. Therefore put the metal point on Q and make one arc like this. Now PR is 4.8. That means point P is 4.8 from R. Therefore now we have to take a 4.8. Therefore this is 0 and 4.8 here. Put the metal point on R and draw the intersecting arc. Then join this. We have to extend this further to draw the triangle LTR. Now dear student, we completed the construction of triangle PQR. Here it is 4.8 centimeter. Here it is 4.2 centimeter and here it is 5.4 centimeter. Now dear student, what we have to do? We have to construct the triangle LTR. As we observe in a rough figure, point T is somewhere here and point L is somewhere here. For that purpose, what we have to do? The ratio is given PQ upon LT is equal to 3:4. PQ upon LT is equal to 3:4. This 4 is a bigger one. Therefore, what we have to do? That means RT is a 4 and QR is a 3. Got it? Therefore, we have to divide this segment in a 4 equal parts. Now, for that purpose, all of you know that here we have to draw one ray like this. The angle should be acute angle and then 3:4 is the ratio. Therefore, we have to make the 4 parts, which is the greater one. Take a sufficient distance in compass. Put the metal point on a point R like this. This is one arc. Keep the same distance. Put the metal point on this arc and make the another arc. Keep the same distance and from this arc make the another arc like this. How many arc we have to make? We have to make the 4 arc like this. Here it is R1, here it is R2, here it is R3 and here it is R4. Now dear student, PQ means QR is a 3. Therefore what we have to do? We have to join this R3 with this Q because RQ are the 3 parts. Therefore this. Now we have to fix the position of point R. For that purpose, here QR3 is there. We have to draw a parallel line passing through this R4. Now to construct the parallel lines, all of you know that if we draw here one parallel line, then this angle and this angle are corresponding angle and corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, by using that property, to draw the parallel line, we have to draw a congruent angle. Now, this at R3, put the metal point and take a sufficient distance and make one arc like this. Got it? And now, from R4 we have to draw. Therefore, keep the same distance and put the metal point on R4 and draw the another arc like this. Now take this much distance and put the metal point on here. And draw the intersecting arc. See dear student, take this much distance and keep this metal point on this arc and draw the intersecting arc to the previous arc. Now this R1 and this R4 and this, draw the join them, then we got a one line or one segment. Now these two lines are parallel because these are the corresponding angles are congruent. Now this point is point T. Now dear student, we have to fix the position of point L. For that purpose, same construction or the same procedure we have to follow. This PQ, we have to draw the parallel line to PQ from this T. Therefore, this and these two angles are congruent. For that purpose, we have to draw the congruent angle. Same procedure, put the metal point on a Q and draw the arc like this. All of you got this? Now, put the metal point on point T, draw the arc like this. Then, take this much distance, see, here and here. Then, put the metal point over here and draw the intersecting arc. Now dear student, join this T with this intersecting point. This is point L. Now see dear student, we got here P, Q, R. These angles are corresponding angle and these corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore QP and RT are the parallel lines. Dear student, we got here two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle LTR. These are the two similar triangle we constructed as per the given conditions. These two triangles are similar and corresponding sides are in proportion and ratio is 3:4. Dear student, try to draw this construction, do the practice of this construction. It is important as a point of view of exam. Dear student, let's start with the question number 4 from the practice set. The question number 3rd is for you. Try to try to solve the question number 3. It is very easy. Now we have to start with the question number 4 from the practice set 4.1. Now see, triangle AMT, similar triangle AHE. Both the triangles are similar. Vertex A is a common vertex. That means common vertex is there. In triangle AMT, AM is 6.3 centimeter. Angle TAM is 50 degree. AT is equal to 5.6 centimeter. AM upon AH is equal to 7 upon 5 or AM is to AH is equal to 7:5. Construct triangle AHE. Dear student, two triangles are similar. One common vertex is there and measurement of one triangles are given. Two sides and the one angle is given and ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is given. First of all, common vertex is there. AM upon AH is 7:5. That means AM is 7 and AH is 5. That means triangle AMT is a bigger triangle and AHE is a smaller triangle. Therefore, first of all, we have to draw the analytical figure or we say that the rough figure will be like this. First of all, triangle AMC. AMT is a bigger triangle. Now see AMT. Here AM is 6.3. AM. And angle A is of 50 degree. Angle A is 50 degree. It is 6.3 centimeter and AT is 5.6. This AT, that means point T is somewhere here, and this is triangle AMT. It is 5.6 centimeter. Now we have to construct the triangle AHE. That means AMT. AH is a smaller triangle, therefore H may be here, AH, and here it is E. Therefore, see there, AMT and AHE, both triangles we have to construct. Now, very simple, very interesting, similar to the previous one. What we have to draw? First of all, we have to draw AM. AM. 6.3 centimeter. 6.3 AM. It is 6.3 centimeter. After that, at the point A, the angle is of 50 degree. Like this, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and here it is 50. And join this. The angle is of 50 degree. Then AT is 5.6 centimeter. Therefore, on a rough page, you have to take how much distance? 5.6. Therefore, take a distance of 5.6 centimeter. This point T is 5.6 centimeter. Therefore, from A, we have to draw the arc like this. And this is point T. Join this with M. Now, dear student, this AMT triangle is over. Now we have to construct AHE. Now AM is 7 and AH is 5. Therefore, dear student, we have to divide this into 7 parts. Bigger part is a 7, therefore we have to divide it into 7 parts. Now for that purpose, all of you know what is the procedure. What we have to do? We have to draw one ray from point A, which is a less than 90 degree acute angle like this. And how many parts we have to make? Dear student, we have to make the 7 part, correct. For that purpose, put the metal point on A, take a sufficient distance and draw the arc like this. Put same, we have to keep the same distance every time. 2, 3, 4, y 6, and here it is. Got it? 7 parts we have made. Here it is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and here it is A7. Now AM is a 7. Ratio is given AM 7 upon 5. Therefore this AM is 7. Therefore join this M with this 7. And AH is 5. Therefore this is A5. From this A5 we have to draw the parallel line to this MA7. For that purpose we have to do the construction of congruent angle. Therefore put the metal point on A7 like this. Take a sufficient distance and make the arc like this. Now put the metal point on A5 because AH is 5. Make the arc like this. All of you understand this? Now put the metal point, take this much distance. Take this much distance and put the metal point on here and draw the intersecting arc. Now join this A5 with this intersecting point. Now see dear student, this is point H. Now here we have to plot the point E. For that purpose again we have to draw the parallel line to this TM passing through this H, and for that purpose also we have to do the construction of congruent angle, because see these are the corresponding angles and these corresponding angles are congruent. Now put the metal point on M, take a sufficient distance and make arc like this. Put this metal point on point H and draw the arc like this. Then take this much distance and put the metal point on this and draw the intersecting arc like this. All of you understand this? And now join this H with this. Then here we got the parallel line and this is point E. This angle or corresponding angle are congruent. Therefore dear student, AHE and AMT, these two triangles are similar triangle. We construct this triangle. Now observe again and again this figure. Watch this video again and again and try to solve the remaining sum. Dear student, practice is important in the construction. I repeat here, cleanness and accuracy is most important, and that will give you the full credit in exam. Therefore do the practice regularly for this construction. Dear student, I hope everyone understood how to construct the similar triangle. Two different types of there. Therefore before doing the construction, read the question carefully. After reading the question, observe the name of a triangle. By observing the name of a triangle, you can understand the which construction type is there. Now dear student, go through this video again and again. Try to understand how to construct the similar triangles and do the practice of remaining sum which are given in a problem set. Dear student, in a construction, accuracy and neatness is most important. I repeat this again and again. This accuracy and neatness you will get after doing the practice. Therefore, dear student, do the practice well. Thank you.